Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're adding this counter section to your store, and honestly, it's a great way to build instant credibility with your customers by showing off real numbers like happy customers, products sold, or use in business. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into how to add it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Then click on the first link that shows up. Now type Section Kit here, click on it, and install it. The installation process is really simple, just like installing any other app. After the installation, go to your Shopify admin, click on Apps, search for Section Kit, and hit Enter. Now go to Explore Sections and search for Counter. Here you'll find this section. Click on More Info and purchase it. I already have this section, so I'll just go to My Sections and look for the same section we just purchased. Click on Customize and choose your favorite theme. It has installed successfully. Now open it in Theme Customizer and give it a moment to load. Now go to Add Section and search for Counter. Select that section and it'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's change the heading. I'll just update it to Us to show you how you can change this according to your own store or product. Right above it, you'll also see a font family option. Click on it and you can change the font style. Then hit the Done button. Here you can change the color of every text in this section to match your store's branding. I'll set the color to green right now just to show you how it works. Now scroll down and explore everything. The icon size, the font size, and you can even change the color of these icons here. I'm changing everything to green right now as an example. After doing all this, if you don't like these icons, you can also replace them with your own favorite icons. I don't have any icons ready right now, so I won't be doing that part, but the option is right there whenever you need it. If you enjoyed this video, or if it helps make your e-commerce journey even a little bit easier, drop a like for me and comment below if you run into any problems with it. I read every comment, so don't hesitate to ask.